All right, guys. This is step two for Windows Server 2016 setup. As you can see, the installation finished. So it came back to the screen, which is the first screen. It will show up as soon as all the settings and installations is done. So the username and administrator is gonna be the default one. So you just gotta create your own password. Let me just do mine. All right, gonna click finish. That's gonna take a little bit. All right, so we're gonna just click Control and Delete. Be able to sorry, I forgot on the virtual machine. So we gotta go to Input Devices. There you go. All right, so we're just gonna input the password we set up at the beginning. There you go. Just gonna set up the user profile service. That's gonna take a bit because it has to set up all the services. I'm sorry, guys. It just it takes a little bit. Like I say, I'm not an expert in doing this video, so I don't know how to, like a fast forward or stop and put another one. Wow, it's killing me. It's taking too long. That I believe it's because we've we set it up with 2 GB of memory and 20 gigs of the hard drive. It does affect a little bit because the memory, we're not used to this anymore. I remember before we used to have a computers with 1 gig, 520 megabytes. That time was, I believe, 99, 98 was the fastest computer, 512 gigs. Oh my God. Now we have computer with 128, I think more than that, 128 gigs of RAM. This is weird. I don't know, it's taking too long. There you go. Came back. There you go. Finally. Perfect. Oof, it's killing me. So as you can see, we have the this little sign here that says Windows Server 2016 standard evaluation. Windows license valid for 180 days. That's okay. 180 days. That's almost well, like 6 months maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna you know show you a trick how to activate this server for maybe around $6, maybe $10, maybe. And then we're gonna have to throw a share command, a command, a PowerShell. We have to throw a PowerShell to convert this server from evaluation to a valid license server, and then buy the license for really cheap. So that's a trick I'm gonna show you, which not supposed to, but I will do it. All right, they just wait for the server to come up. Okay, let me see. See what's going on. What's the view on this? Uh, Let me see if I can adjust this real quick. Just give me 1 second. I don't like the way it looks right now. Let me see if I can do full screen. No, I don't like full screen. Okay, so let's go back here. I'm gonna show you a quick trick on this. You see this one that says in Explorer enhance security configuration. That means when you go here, it will not let you go anywhere. It will always ask you to give access to that website. So, okay, whatever. So as an example, let's see, we would like to go to google.com. Okay, see, you will have the security alerts. See, all this. The content from the website has been blocked. All right, so I'm gonna show you something real quick. Let's close it up. We're gonna click where it says on, and then we're just gonna turn it off. All right, there you go. And let's go back now, and let's try go to Google. Sorry, go.com. Click on it, and voila, you don't see those notifications anymore. All right, so let's first thing first, let's set up the time zone. My time zone is gonna be Eastern, cause I'm in Miami. There you go. Bam. Oh, boom, boom. That's really important. Also the time. All right. So also I don't like this computer name. This is really important to do before doing anything to that server. So we're gonna go back here. Let's say the computer description is gonna be my uh, office server. Let's say as an example. Okay. I'm gonna apply that. Okay, we're gonna change and we're gonna put a computer name. Let's say this is gonna be 123 PC server. All right. Let's just put 123 PC. Doesn't matter. To press OK. We got a duplicate here. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't want to do that. Let's do let's change this something else. Let's just put office. There you go. Because the name of the computer is 123 PC too, so let's just change that. Okay. Okay, let's go back here. I want to see if it changed. Oh, that sounds cool. All right, perfect. All right. So now we need to restart to be able to apply those changes. Now when you see that press any key to put from city, don't do anything because that's gonna take you back to the settings to install Windows. And I just wait to put it this way for to put it up. Wow, this guest operating system is super slow. It's killing me. Well, anyways, because it has to go through all the services and all these things, and so we're gonna go to input devices, keyboard, and there you go. I guess put the password. Perfect. Okay, it's gonna personalize in my profile. So I wanna let you guys know that when you're in IT, you need to have a lot of patience because everything takes long, especially when it's server stuff like that. You can just you cannot just go crazy and then oh, okay, everything's gonna work fine. We're just gonna click here, click there, and then everything's gonna be 100% smoothly. No, it takes time, and you gotta have patience, and then you have to do everything step by step. Check out the details. Don't go like don't go crazy at all. All right, so perfect. Let me check what's the name of the server now. Let me tell you something, guys. The way I learned how to do servers, Active Directories, DNS, switching, uh, all this networking stuff. Everything I learned the same way I'm doing this. I learned it from tutorials. I went to school, but I went to school, for computer repair, IT, stuff like that. But they don't teach you anything in school. They teach you stuff, but you have to you have to do everything hands-on. You have to go somewhere and work uh, as a let's say as a freelance, maybe a couple of months free, or you still a friend. Maybe you have a friend that's just that does the same thing, that does an IT work, network and stuff like that. Just telling, listen, can I go work for you for a couple of weeks? I do it for free, or just pay me something, and I just want to learn while I'm in school, and or just take some tutorials videos, step by step. Uh, doesn't hurt anybody. All right, so as you can see, the computer name is Office, so it doesn't, you know, gives any problem with the name I believe the host name, Office server. Okay. Oh, I know why, because my server name is 123 local server. I knew there was something going on. Okay. All right, perfect. So we have all this here. Everything looks cool. Have an i5, 2 gigs. All right. Updates, yeah, we're gonna worry about the updates later. All right, perfect. So we're gonna go back to manage, add roles and features. I'm gonna go next, next. This is the server 10.0.0.0. 2.15. That's weird. I don't know why it gave me that IP address. That's okay. We can fix that later. I'm gonna go next, and then we're gonna click where it says Active Directory Domain Services. Boom. Gonna go add features. Next, next, and next, and then install. That's gonna take a little bit. It always does. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna pause the video, and then I believe I'm gonna do a step 3 of the server installation. So you guys don't have to wait here, listening to me and looking for this installation progress finish. Right? Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you next time.